Since last year, I've made a few walking tours and travel videos using a non-pro iPhone, and in my opinion, the footage wasn't ideal. With all the camera movements I like to do, there was just too much motion blur. Even shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second didn't fix that. So after a few months of doing research and a lot of indecision, I finally upgraded and bought the DJI Action 5 Pro combo. One big reason? It outperforms the GoPro and the Insta360 in low light conditions. By the way, this isn't a review or a tutorial, it's just me testing the camera for what I care about, and that's image quality, balance, and motion. And I did some color grading in post. So join me and see what this little thing can do. Verdict? I'm very happy with my purchase. I hope to make enough videos for your enjoyment. Comment below if you have any thoughts or questions. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, thank you for your time.